Good morning. What you see today I will start cube and cube. That is after finish square and square root today I will start cube and cube. At first you have to know the cubes and cube root means. Cube. You know how to find the volume of a cube? What is the formula? Volume of a cube length to length give a slab na. Cube I told cube, not a cuboid. What is it? Volume of a cube equals to a cube where a is the edge of the cube. Cube जिसको कुछ बदलने बोले तो लेंथ जो में जो है तार वॉल्यूम जो 6a square सरफेस एरिया से जाता करोगे. So volume of a cube means a cube. This is the cube. If a is 5, then its volume will be 5 cube. So it can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, this is the cube, and now multiplying this, it will be equal to 125. Then 125 is called the cube number or perfect cube. As you learned in square and square roots, the square number or perfect square 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the square number or perfect square. Same as also here 125 or like 8, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. All are perfect cube or cube numbers or cube numbers. Either perfect cube or cube numbers. Okay. So this is the cube. Now you can find easily the cube of a number. If you want to find the cube of a number, then you have to multiply itself by 3 times. For finding the square of a number, you have to multiply by the number by 2 times. Itself by 2 times. Suppose 4 square means 4 into 4. Same as also 4 cube, it will be 4 into 4 into 4. For cube, it will be multiplied itself by 3 times. Same as also, after finding the cube, there is I written here cube roots. What will be the cube roots? You learn how to find the square roots. Suppose 16. Its square root will be the root over 16, and it will be like this. And from each pair you can get one number. That is 4. That is square root of 16 is 4. Same as also, if you have to find the cube root of 125. Cube root is written by like this. This is the symbol of cube root, and so you have to expand this as a prime factor, and this means from 3 you can get one number. From 3 you can get one number. This is the cube roots. Cube roots. Then there are some properties to find the square, the property cube. The property number 1. First property, cube of odd number will be odd and cube of even number will be even. Cube of odd number, property number 1. Cube of odd number will be odd and cubes of even number will be even. Understood? You can choose any. Suppose I choose 3. This is odd or even. Its cube equals to 27. It is odd. Same as also I choose 4. It is odd or even? its cube equals to 64. It is equal. So my first property is true. Second property, not property, thus sum true. If a number has 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in the unit place, then its cube also ends with the same digit 1, 4, 9, 5, 6 or 9. Property number 2, if a number 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in unit place, if these numbers are there, then their cube will be contain the same digit. Suppose I choose any one number 11. The unit place, in the unit place the number is 1. If you find the 11 cube, then you can see in the result the unit place there will be 1. If you choose 14, then find its cube. Then in result you can see in unit place there will be 4 also. Okay. Number 2, if a number has 2 in the unit place, but if a number, suppose 12, in the unit place what is there? Then its in result, in its unit place the number will be 8. The number will be 8. Suppose you find 12 cube. Find 12 cube, 12 into 12 into 12. That is 144 into 12. 144 into 12. Then 1728. See in the result, what is the unit digit? 8. If a number 8 in the unit place, then its cube will end in 2. That's opposite. If in unit place it is 8, then it will be 2. If it is 3, then it will be 7. If it is 3, then it will be 7. It is given. If it is 7, then it will be 3. Understood? If it is 2, then 8. If it is 8, then it is 2. If it is 3, it will be 7. If it is 7, then it will be 3. And if it is 0, then it will be 0. Now, cube of negative integer. Cube of negative integer will always be negative. Why? Suppose minus 2. Its cube. I told you minus number, if odd, then the sign will be odd also. Otherwise you can multiply this. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus plus, then plus minus minus. And one more thing I told you, the power is odd, the minus will be minus. Power is even, then minus will be plus. Cube of rational number. Cube of rational number means? Rational number means a number which can be expressed as a p by u. Suppose 2 by 3, then its cube. It is nothing, it is just like equal to 2 cube by 3 cube. You have learned in exponent. Then you have to find 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27. Okay. So let's see exercise 4.1. Which of the following number are not a perfect cube? Give reason in support of your answer. To justify the perfect cube, we have to do the prime factorization of the given number. Here first, suppose I am doing number 2, 1, 2. It is given 7 to 9. 7 to 9 you have to prime factorize of it. 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 12, 3 3 are 9, 3 8 are 3 27, 3 9, 3 3. So we can write 7 to 9 equals to 3 into 3 into 3, then 3 into 3 into 3. Now you can select by taking 3 number as a whole. 3 same number. From this, if you find the perfect cube, from this you can get 1 3. Therefore, this is a perfect cube. This is a perfect cube. Okay. If 1 is short, suppose it is not given. It makes the cube, but it does not make the cube. Okay. But the given number is 7 to 9. From this we can see that this is a, therefore 7 to 9 is a perfect cube. Means we can express the number as 3 into 3, then its cube, that is 92. So that each of the following number is a perfect cube. Same as also. I am reading. You will do. Same as also. You have to do the prime factorize, and you will get 3 same numbers with 3 same numbers. Okay, do 2 1. One 7 2 8. Now prime factorize of it. 2 8 is 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 4 3 2 2 therefore 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and then make it triplet. Therefore 2 cube 3 cube, 2 into 3. Therefore 1728 is a perfect cube. Okay. 3 2. তো হচ্ছে না তার দেখে দেখে ছেড়ে দিচ্ছ নাকি ওই চাপটাও দেখবি Now you have to multiply by which smallest number? Say like the square root. You multiply some number na? If one number here you have to make the triplet. Suppose 2 3 is given, 3 into 3 given. So you need to multiply by another 3 also. Then it will be perfect cube. Otherwise you not. Same as also. At first you have to do the prime factorize of it. Do 2. এটাই তো তাহলে কি হচ্ছে 2 কিউব 2 কিউব 2 cube. Now see, you have to multiply by 56. 2 into 56. Now you have to multiply another 2 6. Then it will be cube, na? If you multiply by 6 into 6, then it will be cube. So therefore 3072 should be multiplied by 6 into 6 means 36. Next 4 2 10985. Same as also you have to divide. Suppose this you have to divide by this. এটা কত দিল দেখো 2197 13 দিয়ে যাবে 169 13 into 5. Now you should divide this number by 5. If you divide by 5, then 5 will be cut, then it will be perfect. Therefore, the list number is 5. Next, number 6. Find the volume of a cubical box whose surface area is 486. Yes, cubical box surface area. Formula of surface area: cube. At 6a square. Surface area equal to 486 and surface area formula 6a square equal to 486. A square equal to 486 by 6. A equal to 9. This is the side of the cube. Now we have to find the volume. Volume equals to A cube 9 cube centimeter 981 729. Right. Next, number 7. Which of the following are cubes of even natural number or odd natural number? I told you. Even natural number if the last digit is even, then it is even natural number. Last digit is odd, then it is odd natural number. The 125 last digit is 5 means odd, so it is odd natural number. No need to do it. Write the ones digit of the cube of each of the following. Suppose 82, 358. The unit place digit is unit place digit 8. Then it is 8. Therefore, write the ones digit of cube. It's 1 digit of cube equal to 2. Next, number 9. Find the cube of the following. Number 9, 3. Minus 5 1 by 7. You have to find the cube of this following. So very easy. At first, give the minus sign. Then it is converted into improper fraction. Now, minus its cube is equal to minus 36 cube by 780. Then multiply 36 into 36 into 36. Then multiply 36 into 36 into 36. Four, 6, 6, 5, 6. By 7 into 7 into 7. 7 9 just 63. 7 4 just 28. 3 4 3. And you will convert by instruction. From this exercise, homework 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, number 5, 8, 3, 5, 9, 1, 2.